Tips for incorporating fresh fruits into ice cream bases. Title: Tips for incorporating fresh fruits into ice cream bases. Introduction. Ice cream is a beloved dessert enjoyed by people of all ages worldwide. While classic flavors like chocolate and vanilla remain popular, there is no denying the enticing allure of incorporating fresh fruits into ice cream bases. The burst of natural flavors, vibrant colors, and added nutritional value are just a few reasons why blending fresh fruits with ice cream is a winning combination. In Th. Is article, we will explore some expert tips on how to successfully incorporate fresh fruits into ice cream bases, ensuring a delightful and refreshing treat for all. 1. Choosing the perfect fruit. Selecting ripe and high-quality fruits is the cornerstone to creating exceptional fruit-infused ice cream. Here are some helpful tips when choosing fruits. A. Seasonal varieties. Opt for fruits that are in season for better taste and quality. Seasonal fruits are generally more abundant, affordable, and bursting with flavor. B. Freshness. Choose fruits that are firm yet yield slightly to gentle pressure. Avoid fruits that are overripe or have any signs of bruising or decay. C. Flavors and combinations. Experiment with different fruits to find flavor combinations that work well together. Some popular choices include strawberry and banana, mango and coconut, and raspberry. And lemon. 2. Preparing the fruits. Properly preparing the fruits before incorporating them into ice cream is crucial to achieve the desired texture and flavor. Follow these steps. A. Washing and drying. Rinse the fruits under cool running water to remove any dirt or impurities. Gently pat them dry using a clean kitchen towel or paper towels to avoid diluting the flavors of the fruit. B. Peeling and chopping. Depending on the fruit, you may need to peel and remove any pits or seeds before incorporating them into the ice cream base. Chop the fruits into small pieces for easier blend. Ding. C. Pureeing options. For a smoother consistency, puree the fruits using a blender or food processor. This method works well for fruits like berries, mangoes, and melons. 3. Considering the ice cream base. The ice cream base plays a significant role in determining the overall taste and texture of your fruit-infused creation. Keep these guidelines in mind. A. Custard base. If you prefer a richer, creamier ice cream, consider using a custard base made with egg yolks, sugar, and heavy cream. This base pairs well with fruits like cherry, peach, and apple. B. Eggless bases. For a lighter and refreshing ice cream, choose an eggless base using ingredients like milk, cream, sugar, and vanilla extract. This base complements fruits such as berries, citrus, and tropical fruits. 4. Methods of incorporation. There are multiple approaches to incorporate fresh fruits into the ice cream base. Depending on your desired outcome, you can try the following methods. A. Blending. After preparing the fruits, blend them with the ice cream base until smooth. This method works well for fruits like strawberries, peaches, and blueberries. B. Folding. For a chunkier texture and visual appeal, fold small pieces of fruits into the ice cream base. This method is ideal for fruits like bananas, mangoes, and raspberries. C. Compotes and sauces. Another option is making fruit compotes or sauces that can be swirled into the ice cream base. Simmer the fruits with sugar and a touch of water until they turn into a thick, syrupy consistency. This approach is great for fruits like cherries, apricots, and pineapple. 5. Freezing and churning. To truly transform your ice cream into a delightful treat, careful attention must be paid during the freezing and churning process. Here are a few tips. A. Chilled base. Ensure the ice cream base is properly chilled before freezing. This will result in a smoother texture and prevent the formation of ice crystals. B. Churning time. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for churning time. Over-churning can result in a grainy texture, while under-churning may not fully aerate the ice cream. C. Adding fruit. Depending on the chosen method of incorporation, add the fruit puree or folded pieces at the appropriate time during churning. This allows the fruits to disperse throughout the ice sea. Ream evenly. 6. Experimenting with mix-ins. To take your fruit-infused ice cream to the next level, consider adding some mix-ins for added texture and flavor. Here are a few ideas. A. Nuts. Chopped nuts like almonds, walnuts, or pistachios can add a delightful crunch to your ice cream. Toast them beforehand for a richer flavor. B. Chocolate. Whether it's chocolate chips, shavings, or chunks, adding chocolate to your fruit-infused ice cream can create a heavenly combination. Dark, milk, or white chocolate, the choice is you. RS. C. Cookie crumbs. Crushed cookies like Oreos or graham crackers can provide a satisfying texture contrast to the creamy ice cream. Mix them in or sprinkle them on top as a tasty garnish. D. Caramel or butterscotch sauce. Drizzle some caramel or butterscotch sauce into your ice cream for an indulgent touch. It pairs particularly well with fruity flavors like apple or banana. 7. Overcoming common challenges. While incorporating fresh fruits into ice cream bases can result in mouthwatering creations, there are a few challenges to be aware of. Here's how to overcome them. A. Water content. Some fruits, like watermelon or citrus, have a high water content that can cause ice crystals to form in the ice cream. To combat this, reduce the water content by cooking down the fruit into a thick puree or sauce. B. Oxidation. Fruits that oxidize quickly, such as apples or pears, may turn brown when exposed to air. To prevent this, toss them in a bit of lemon juice or an ascorbic acid solution before incorporating them into your ice cream. C. Intense flavors. Some fruits, like berries or passion fruit, have potent flavors that can overpower the ice cream base. To achieve a balanced taste, consider reducing the intensity of these fruits by blending them with milder flavors or adding them in smaller quantities. 8. Serving and storage. Now that your fruit-infused ice cream is ready to be enjoyed, it's important to know the best ways to serve and store it. Follow these tips. A. Scooping. For easier scooping and smoother texture, let the ice cream sit at room temperature for a few minutes before serving. Use a warmed ice cream scoop for clean, round scoops. B. Storage containers. Transfer any leftover ice cream into a lidded container to maintain its freshness and prevent freezer burn. Ensure the container is airtight to avoid absorbing any unwanted flaw. Force from other foods. C. Freezer time. While homemade ice cream is best enjoyed fresh, it can be stored in the freezer for a few weeks. Be sure to label the container with the date to keep track of its freshness. D. Thawing. When ready to enjoy the stored ice cream, let it thaw in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes before scooping. This will soften it slightly and enhance the creamy texture. Tips for incorporating fresh fruits into ice cream bases. Introduction.